Today, I'll show you exactly how to host your website on Cloudflare Pages step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your site up and running on a fast, reliable, and secure platform, all for free. This is a fantastic solution for personal blogs, portfolios, or even small business sites, and you don't need to mess with complex server setups. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, you want to sign up or log into your Cloudflare account. If you don't already have one, don't sweat it. It's free and just takes a few minutes to create. Having an account allows Cloudflare to manage your websites and projects in one place securely. Go ahead and log in, take your time. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Cloudflare dashboard, which can look pretty busy at first, but stay with me. We're focusing only on the areas you need. Next, you'll want to navigate over to the Workers and Pages section in your dashboard. This is where Cloudflare powers not just serverless functions, but also static site hosting through Pages, which is what we're using today. If you're not sure exactly where that is, look for a tab or menu item on the left, usually about halfway down. Sometimes these dashboards change their look, so don't worry if you have to poke around a bit. Once you're in Workers and Pages, click that big Create Application button. Cloudflare tries to guide you here, making the whole setup super friendly. You'll see some different hosting options. Select the Pages tab because that's designed specifically for static site hosting. Now you've got two ways forward. You can import your site directly from a Git repository or do a manual upload. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the direct upload method. Since it's perfect for folks who just want to get their project online fast, no Git setup required. So on this screen, choose Use Direct Upload. You'll be prompted to name your project. Try picking something short and memorable. This will end up being part of your public site address. Now for the fun part. You just drag and drop your site's files directly into the browser, or you can upload a zip file with everything inside. Think of this step like packing up your project for a quick trip. Just make sure you include all your HTML, CSS, images, and any other important assets your site needs. Cloudflare will look at everything you upload and automatically set things up for you. After you hit upload, Cloudflare gets to work deploying your site. This part might take a minute or two. Don't worry if it seems to hang for a moment. What's happening is, Cloudflare is distributing your site across their global network, making it blazing fast and highly available for visitors from anywhere in the world. Once deployment finishes, you'll get a link ending in Pages Dev, something like your project Pages Dev. That's your live website. Go ahead, click the link and admire your work. If something doesn't look quite right, maybe a missing image or a file didn't upload correctly, relax. You can always repeat the upload and make fixes, and just like that, your website is fully hosted and publicly accessible. No server configuration, no hunting down SSL certificates. It's all handled automatically. Pretty neat, right? If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I try to answer everyone. And if you want more clear, friendly tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.